Kinakabahan ka ba kapag hinaharap mo na ang problemang kailangan mong pagdesisyonan tulad ng mga hakbang na gagawin para sa iyong kinabukasan? Para sa mabuhay buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. It's so easy to let that fear hold you back, to just play it safe and stick with what you know. But remember how Jesus encouraged his followers, saying, "Don't be afraid, little flock." That's especially for you as you navigate all these uncertain times. It's okay to feel that fear. It's a normal human thing. But the important thing is to choose not to let it freeze you in place. It's about building up your courage, taking smart risks, and going after your dreams, even when that little voice of doubt tries to creep in. It's about understanding that not knowing exactly what's going to happen is just part of the adventure, and building your resilience, that ability to bounce back when things don't go exactly as planned, is super important. It's about trusting in your own abilities even when you're feeling a little unsure of yourself. Kaya manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, biyayaan mo kami ng tapang harapin ang aming mga takot sa buhay upang umusad kami ng may tiwala sa iyong paggabay. Amen.